Hello. So in this session, we are going to pay for the Google Workspace, and I'm going for this plan 125 rupees per month. And let's click on checkout. Here you can type individual, tax information unregistered, PAN number you can type, and address you can type. And here you can give your card details, place order. Here you can type your 3 digits code. Continue, OTP, and the Google billing payment is done. Thanks for your purchase. Google Workspace Business Starter. That's it. So now you can use your email ID. My email ID is guruji@civiltimes.com. So I can start using this email ID. And apart from that, there are many more things that you will be seeing in upcoming lessons. Thank you very much. Bye bye.